See, good morning everyone. So in the previous class we had practiced eight में वो मैडम गलती से होगा, मेरा 8 में है, 8 में होता है मेरा, चेक करता हूँ। ये देखो 11 से 11:45, क्या पता, मेरा यूजुअली यही होता है, 8 में होता है। मैं 7th में देखता नहीं, 7th में मैं लेता ही नहीं हूँ ना 7th में, इसलिए मैंने देखा ही नहीं 7th का। यस चिल्ड्रन, वी आर बैक। So children, we are today also we shall practice MCQ questions for the second MCQ, which is scheduled on Kushagra. Are you there? Kushagra Soyal.
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
is
sir.
your science MCQ second
So
scheduled?
20.
20?
So 23.
20? Kushagra, I am waiting for your response.
Sir, what?
No one else should speak. Kushagra Soyal, I want your response. Kushagra Soyal.
Yes, sir. Am I audible? Sir.
Yeah, you are audible now. Please, I want the day.
Yes, sir. Sir, the science exam. Sir, MCQ.
Sir?
Yes, Kushag. I want the date of science MCQ.
Sir, 23.
That means you are not seeing the date sheet. Kushag, what are you seeing? Where have you find this date?
Sir, it's
Kushag,
20. Sir,
Kushag,
it's 20.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Where have you find this date, 23rd? Chinmay Nirvan, yes, you tell Chinmay. Chinmay, please tell the date of science MCQ.
Sir, may I?
Yes.
27 August.
Yeah, 27th August it is. It is 27th August. Kushag Soyal is not seeing the date sheet. Kushag Soyal, you should see the date and then you should answer.
Sir, चिन्मय ने 24 बोला है.
किसने?
चिन्मय निर्वाण.
It is wrong. It is 27th. You can see the date sheet. You can see the date sheet there, children. You will find.
मुझे लगा आपने ये पूछा कि एग्जाम कब स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं.
No. Science MCQ I'm asking. Science MCQ. Date for science MCQ.
Sir, it was 27th.
27th. Okay. Now, is there any doubt regarding the date?
No, sir.
No. Soil, you should focus. You should see the correct date. Now, let us practice some questions, children. Question number 1. Which of the following is a pair of exhaustible natural resources? Which of the following is a pair of pair of exhaustible, which of the following is a pair of exhaustible natural resources? You all know what are exhaustible natural resources, children? You all know or not?
Yes, sir.
What are exhaustible natural resources?
So these are the sources which get
These are limited resources.
Alzia Bano, please keep quiet. Somebody is answering no. Yes, continue, beta.
and get millions of years to get renewed. These are known as exhaustible resources.
Exhaustible natural resources. These are available in limited quantity, and they are overused. Then they will get finished up, and they will take millions and millions of years to be formed. So they have to be preserved. They should not be overused. For example, fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal. These are all
Petroleum.
fossil fuels. Okay. Exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources. A. Coal and soil. Coal and soil. B. Water and petroleum. Water and petroleum. Water and petroleum. C. Air and sunlight. Air and sunlight. B is wildlife and minerals. Wildlife and minerals. Question number 2. You just write down the question, and if you know the correct answer, you mark it, and I will assign the question to answer to a particular person. Then that child only will answer. Okay, children? Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Which of the following is not a constituent of petroleum? Which of the following is not a constituent of petroleum? Which of the following is not a constituent of petroleum? We all know that petroleum has many constituents which are separated by fractional distillation. It is called petroleum refining. It is done in refineries. Okay, we have studied during the chapter or not? We have studied, no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to identify the constituent which is not a part of petroleum which is not obtained from refining of petroleum. Your options are paraffin wax, B is petrol, C lubricating oil, D coal. Okay. Question 3. Petroleum was formed from A. Living, formed from organisms, A. Living on the land, B. living in the sea, living in the sea, C option, living on plants, living on the plants, D, living on the rocks, living on the rocks. Okay, children. So these questions have you noted, children, all of you? Have all of you noted these questions? These three questions?
Not the last one, sir.
Okay. Petroleum was formed from organisms living on the land, B, living in the sea, C, living on the plants, D, living on the rocks. Now, the first question, who is going to answer? Who is going to answer?
May I?
1 minute.
Sir, may I?
You will not say, no one should speak. No one should speak now. Yes, Shubham, read out the first question and try to answer. Read
Sir,
out.
first question is which of the following is a pair of exhaustible natural resources?
What are exhaustible natural resources? First you say, what are exhaustible natural resources? What do you mean by exhaustible natural resources?
Exhaustible
Yes.
natural resources are the resources which got exhaust if we not use.
Yes, now answer this question. Yes, Shubham, answer this question. Shubham, can you hear me now? Shubham,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
answer it.
Yes, sir. Sir, answer is wildlife and minerals. Sir,
No, you read all the four options. You read all the four options first.
okay, sir. Sir, options are coal and soil,
Yes,
water and petroleum,
yes.
air and sunlight, and wildlife and minerals.
See, first option. Don't interrupt. First option, let us see first option, coal and soil. Coal is a
Natural resources.
no, is it exhaustible or inexhaustible? I'm asking this. Coal.
Exhaustible.
And what about soil?
Non-exhaustible.
Inexhaustible. So this pair is not a pair of exhaustible natural resources because one of the natural resources is exhaustible, that is coal, and soil is inexhaustible. Understand? So both of them, they are not exhaustible. One is exhaustible and the other is inexhaustible. That is why this option is not correct. Okay, Shubham?
Yes, sir.
Second one, water and petroleum. What kind of natural resource is water?
Inexhaustible.
Inexhaustible because it can be recycled through the process of water cycle. Okay, but petroleum is exhaustible. So this pair is again a pair of one exhaustible and the other is inexhaustible. So this is not the correct answer to this question. Next, see, air and sunlight. Air and sunlight both are inexhaustible natural resources because
Inexhaustible.
air and sunlight both are available in plenty. Okay, now let us talk about D, wildlife and minerals. Wildlife, minerals means that elements, potassium, calcium, they are exhaustible. Okay, and wildlife we have studied in chapter 7, conservation of plants and animals. So wildlife, there are species which are endangered if they are not given proper care and shelter, then they may become extinct. What is extinct species? Such species whose not even a single member is living. They are called extinct species. For example, can you give me some examples of extinct species, children?
Sir, dodo bird.
Dodo bird, and
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
dinosaurs.
Mammoth.
Very. Okay,
Mammoth.
so answer this, wildlife and minerals. Okay, is there any doubt regarding this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Listen, I'm telling you all that do not mark any option blindly. You have to go through all the four options then you have to decide the most correct answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to go through all the four options, given four options, and then you have to decide the correct answer. Don't blindly answer. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Second question. Second question will be answered by Kusagra Sohel. Is he
Yes,
here?
sir. Yes, sir.
Read out the question.
Which of the following is not a constituent
Constituent of petroleum.
of petroleum?
Hmm.
First option is paraffin word. Sir, what is this? Because road is not clear.
Okay, paraffin wax.
Okay, sir. Second is petroleum. Third is
Petrol. It is
lubricant.
not petroleum, it is petrol.
Okay, sir. Third is lubricant called D is
Lubricating
coal.
oil. Lubricating
Okay,
oil.
sir. Okay, sir. Sir, the correct answer is coal.
Okay, very good. Now, see, Tushar, can you name some more constituents of petroleum?
Sir, lubricant called.
Lubricating oil तो है ना, लिख दिया ना यहाँ पे lubricating oil. Besides these, the constituents of petroleum besides that are written on the board. Yes, Kushal?
Yes, sir.
I am asking the names of constituents of petroleum besides those which are written on the board.
Sir, coal, lubricant called paraffin wax.
You have not understood my question. Alzia Bano, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I?
Yes,
Sir,
Karishma. Yes, Karishma.
Yes, sir. LPG,
Yes.
petrol, kerosene, lubricant oil, paraffin wax, bitumen, and diesel.
Bitumen it is. Bitumen. Okay. Now, next question. Third question will be answered by Tejas Chaudhary. Tejas Chaudhary, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please answer better. Read out the question first.
Petroleum was formed from the organism. Option A, living on the land. Second, living in the sea. Third, living on the plants. And fourth, living on the rocks.
Yes.
So
What
the
is the
correct
correct?
answer will be living in the sea.
Very good. So petroleum is formed from the organisms that were living in the sea that got buried under the deep beds of the sea. Okay. Now let us see some more questions, children. Have all of you noted these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Please note down these questions. They are very, very important.
Okay, sir.
Next question.
Alzia, please mute.
Oh, everyone has to mute your mic. Don't speak in between. Everyone has to mute. Which among the following is considered as the cleanest fuel? Question number 4. Which among the following is considered as the cleanest fuel? Option A, cow dung cake. B is kerosene. C, petrol. D, hydrogen. Next question. Question number 5. Can you see the board or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good, clear.
Yes, sir.
Next question. The calorific value of fuel is expressed in a unit called the calorific value. Calorific value of a fuel is measured in a unit called a kilojoule per liter, B kilojoule per gram, C kilojoule per kilogram, D kilojoule per milliliter. Question number 6. Next
Sir,
question.
side please.
Yeah, yes. Okay. Next question.
Completed, sir.
The substance that does not burn with flame. The substance that does not burn with flame. Is A LPG, B dry grass, C camphor, and D alcohol. Then question number 7, we can have some space, we can note down. Which one of the following has the highest calorific value? Which one of the following has highest calorific value? Your options are A kerosene, B LPG, C biogas, D petrol. Now these are the 4 questions that are written on the board. Now have you noted, children?
Yes, sir.
No,
Have you
sir.
noted?
So please wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, I am waiting. Let me
Sir,
see.
there-
Who. 1 minute. I will check who is there, who is not. Kuldeep Meena, are you there? Kuldeep Meena, can you hear me? Kuldeep Meena. Are you there? Neetu Meena, can you hear me? Paramveer Singh, can you hear me? Paramveer Singh. Saksham Maurya, can you hear me? Saksham Maurya. Smriti Gupta. Can you answer this question? Question number 4. Smriti Gupta, can you answer? Please tell me. Just answer. Read the question and answer. Smriti Gupta. Read question number 4 and answer. Smriti Gupta is going to answer question number 4. Smriti, I want you to speak. I want you to unmute your mic and please speak. Smriti Gupta. Smriti, can you speak or not?
Sir, I can.
Now,
So
then
may I?
Neetu Meera, can you answer? Okay, what we can do. RC Chauhan, can you answer? RC Chauhan. RC.
Sir, I can. Yes, sir.
Okay, Jia Patil, you answer, Jia. Read the question and then answer.
Okay, sir.
Jia Patil.
Which among the following is considered as the cleanest fuel?
Hmm.
A. Cow dung cake. B. Kerosene. C. Petrol. D. Hydrogen. A correct answer is hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Why it is considered to be cleanest fuel? Jia Patil.
Yes, sir.
Jia Patil.
Hydrogen gas is considered as the cleanest fuel because when hydrogen burn in air, it produces nothing but water vapor.
Very good. It does not leave any residue. Okay, it does not leave any residue behind. It can be easily transported through the pipes. So it is a clean fuel. Okay, children? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Khushali Gaur. Can you answer next question number 5? Khushali Gaur. Okay, she is not there. RC Chauhan, can you answer? RC Chauhan. Paramveer Singh, can you answer? Paramveer Singh, can you answer? Okay, Chinmay Nirvan, can you answer, beta? Chinmay?
Yes, sir.
Please read out the question and answer.
The paraffin value of a fuel is measured in a unit called A. Kilojoule per liter, B. Kilojoule per gram, C. Kilojoule per kilogram, D. Kilojoule per millimeter. Sir, the correct answer is C. Kilojoule per kilogram.
Yeah. So, children, very good. Calorific value is the measuring unit to define the efficiency of a fuel. Okay, children? Calorific value is defined as the, please pay attention. They may ask the definition also. The calorific value of a fuel is defined as the amount of heat produced by the complete combustion of 1 gram of a fuel. Complete combustion of 1 gram of a fuel से जितनी heat निकलती है, that is called calorific value of that particular fuel. So its unit is kilojoule per kilogram. Kilojoule per kilogram is the correct SI unit of calorific value of any fuel. Is there any doubt to anyone?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
We have
पापा,
practiced.
कल वहाँ पे जाना है तो वहाँ कितने घंटे लग जाएंगे?
Chinmay, I am not able to listen to your question. Can you repeat?
Chinmay, please.
Chinmay,
Yes, sir.
have you asked any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the question. Next question, question number 6. Who's going to answer question number 6?
So may I?
Sir, may I?
Yes, Harsh Raj will answer. Very good, Harsh. Please.
The substance that doesn't burn with flame is option A LPG, B dry grass, C camphor, D alcohol. Answer is C camphor.
Camphor does not burn with flame.
So may I?
Tejas Chaudhary, camphor does not burn with flame.
Sir, I think the correct answer will be LPG that doesn't burn with flame. Sir, I think.
Harsh Raj. Okay, Shubham, please Tell me whether camphor burns with flame or not. Shubham Kumar.
Sir, camphor does not burn with flame.
It does not give flame. And what about alcohol? Alcohol, does it burns with flame?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the correct answer is?
Camphor.
Okay, all of you please mark the correct answer, camphor. Okay. Next, question number 7. Who's going to answer question number 7? Karishma Meghwal.
Right.
Karishma Meghwal, will you answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read it out and answer.
Which one of the following has highest calorific value?
Yes,
Option A
very-
kerosene, option B LPG, option C biogas, option D petrol. I
Yeah.
think so it is biogas.
Biogas.
Right.
Yes, sir,
Listen,
biogas.
in
Sir,
your textbook, 1 minute. In your textbook there is given a table. Please check from there. Please check from there, children. All of you open your textbook and check from there.
Yes, sir.
right.
Biogas ki
So it is
35,000.
LPG. LPG. Sir.
Yes, sir, LPG.
It is LPG, yes, 55,000 kilojoule per gram. It is LPG, not biogas. Karishma,
Yes, sir. So sorry.
among these given fuels, this LPG has the highest calorific value. Please mark the correct answer as LPG and it is not the biogas. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay,
shall I
sir.
have the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 8. Children, are you finding it interesting or not? Children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, very interesting.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you have to practice lot questions. Okay? Next question. Let us see. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Write down. Wild buffalo is an endangered species, because A is its population is diminishing. Its population is diminishing. Diminishing का मतलब होता है बेटा कम होना, decreasing. Diminishing means what? Decreasing. Okay? It has become extinct. Please note down first. All of you, please note down with me. See, it is found exclusively in a particular area. It is found exclusively in a particular area. D, its poaching is strictly prohibited. Its poaching, P-O-A-C-H-I-N-G, poaching का मतलब होता है पकड़ना. Its poaching is strictly prohibited. Please note down first. Next question. Question number 9. This is also a very important question. The places meant for conservation of biodiversity. Do you know what is biodiversity, children? What is biodiversity? Do you know or not? Biodiversity is the different forms of life, variety of life. Okay? Different species living in a particular area, different flora and fauna living in a particular area constitute biodiversity of that area. Okay?
Okay.
Conservation, biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity in their natural habitat, in their natural habitat. See children, I have told you there are two methods of conservation of plants and animals. One is that in which they are conserved in their natural habitat. What is this type called? What is this type of conservation called, children? Can you tell me? In situ conservation. The method in which the plants and animals are conserved in a place where they are naturally found is called in situ conservation methods. Okay, and when they are taken to another place and they are provided with better facilities, it is called ex situ conservation. We have discussed during the chapter or not, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Natural habitat are called first we will write zoological garden, second wildlife sanctuary, third botanical garden, and fourth is national park. Now out of these you have to choose the conservation methods in which the animals and plants or they are conserved in their natural habitat. A option, they are given A option as first and second, B option second and third, C option third and fourth, and D option first and fourth. Now, who will answer these questions? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand for these questions, two questions. These are very, very important questions. Please raise your hands. Yes, Komal Suthar. Please answer question number 8. Read it out.
Yes, sir.
Try to answer. Yes, Komal Suthar, read the question and answer. Komal Suthar.
Wild buffalo is an species because, sir, is its population is sir.
Komal, who is speaking near you? Please ask them not to speak. Komal,
Yes, sir.
you only speak what? Wild buffalo is an endangered species. You have not read this. Okay. Now read.
Okay. Okay, sir. Is its population is sir, board is not clear.
Diminishing. It is clearly visible. Diminishing. Diminishing means decreasing.
Okay.
Second option.
Okay, sir. So B is it is has become extinct. C is it is found in sir
Exclusively.
board
Exclusively.
exclusively in a particular area, and D is its
Poaching.
patching.
It's poaching. Poaching is strictly prohibited.
It, its poaching is strictly
Prohibited.
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 Sir, correct answer is A.
Okay. Its population is diminishing. Okay. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Komal, good. Well done. Very good. Now, question number 9 will be answered
Sir,
by
may I?
whom?
Sir, may I?
Yes, Algia. Algia is going to answer. Very good. Algia, answer.
The places means for conservation of biodiversity in their natural habitat are first option is zoological garden, second wildlife sanctuary, third botanical garden, fourth national park. The correct answer is wildlife sanctuary and national park.
Wildlife sanctuary and national park. Well done. So this will corresponds to second and fourth. तो कौन सा आंसर हो गया?
सर आपने ऑप्शंस गलत लिखे.
सर गलत लिखे आपने आंसर्स. सर गलत लिखे आपने ऑप्शंस.
Wait, 1 minute.
ऑप्शंस गलत है.
1 minute. First, second, third, and fourth. So, which according to you will be the correct combination of the answer?
Second and
C.
Second and fourth.
Second, fourth.
Second and
Second and
fourth.
fourth.
Second and
yes,
fourth, sir.
Second and fourth.
Wait,
Yes.
Algia will speak. Algia,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what according to you is the correct combination of the answers?
Second and fourth.
Second and fourth. Okay, so we will mark this one. C option will be taken as second and fourth. Okay. Okay, Algia. Now is
Okay,
it
sir.
correct? So with this, we have practiced these many questions. Now you have to practice at home more because here time is not allowing to practice more questions. So you have to practice at home, and if at all you are not able to solve any question, please ask during the class. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Will
sir.
Okay, sir.
will you solve MCQ questions of chapters 1 to 10 at your home?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am ending up the session. If you have any doubt, please ask.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.